Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our chapter 26, the conjunctions. See the spelling of conjunctions: conjunction, the conjunction. Now, what are the conjunctions? Conjunctions are also called joining words. A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. So कंजक्शन वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो दो वर्ड्स को या दो सेंटेंसेस को साथ में जोड़ते हैं. ओके, सो लेट अस सी दिस sentences. Read the following sentences. She is a doctor and her younger sister is an advocate. He worked hard but could not stand first in the examination. He cannot read or write. I read the books because they interest me. So here two sentences are joined with these words and, but, or, if, because. So these are the conjunctions. Now let us see the use of the conjunctions. We use and to join words and sentences that belong to a particular class. We use and to join words and sentences that belong to a particular class. मीन्स सिमिलर ग्रुप के वर्ड्स जब होते हैं तो उन्हें हम ज्वाइन करते हैं एंड से. लाइक कैन ही राइट एंड स्पीक इंग्लिश? सुमित इज़ ऑनेस्ट एंड हार्ड वर्किंग. सो दीज आर बोथ पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज़, ऑनेस्ट एंड हार्ड वर्किंग. सो वी ज्वाइन इट विद एंड. राइट एंड स्पीक इंग्लिश. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स दैट बोथ गिव द सेम सेंस दैट ही हैज़ नॉलेज ऑफ इंग्लिश. Arvind played tennis and Rahul played football. So these are the both of particular class, means दोनों ही गेम्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि अरविंद टेनिस खेलता है, राहुल फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. So you can join these two sentences with and. Shushma is a teacher and her elder sister is a writer. So both is giving the sense of profession, that which profession they belong to. So we join it with and. Ramesh likes tea and his sister likes coffee. Both are giving idea about similar thing, that is what are their likings. So we can join this with and. So we use and to join those words and sentences that belong to a particular class. We use but to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. We played well but we lost the match. यहाँ opposite ideas है कि अच्छा तो खेले पर हार गए. ओके, सो फॉर ऑपोजिट आइडियाज वी यूज बट. सुनीता वॉकड फास्ट बट शी मिस्ड द बस. हिज सिस्टर विल नॉट बी देयर बट हिज ब्रदर माइट. आई रैंग द बेल बट नो वन आंसर्ड. आई कॉल्ड आउट देम बट दे डिड नॉट हियर मी. तो जब दो ऑपोजिट आइडियाज, जैसे कि अगर बेल रिंग किया तो किसी को आंसर करना चाहिए था बट किसी ने आंसर नहीं किया. सो दिस इज गिविंग ऑपोजिट आइडिया. That time we use but. We use or to join words or sentences when we want to make a choice. और कब होता है? जब आपको चॉइस करना हो दो चीज़ों में से. Walk fast or you will miss the bus. They must apologize. Apologize means sorry कहना. Or they will be punished. So here you have a choice. Either you apologize or you will be punished. So or when do we use or? When we want to make a choice. Is your sister older or younger than you? बड़ी है या छोटी है आपके सिस्टर आपसे? So we are giving a choice. You have to select any one. Then we use or. Is it a boy or a girl? Do they live in a small house or a big house? Next we study about correlative conjunctions. Some conjunctions are usually used in pairs. They are called correlative conjunctions. So some conjunctions are there which are used in pairs, means both the words are used together in a sentence. Both is also a conjunction and is also conjunctions, and we use these two together as a pair, like we both like and respect them. Either or. I am going to be busy. I am going to buy either a camera or a CD player with this money. So either and or we use as pair words. Both and, neither nor. Their house is neither big nor small. So here we use these as pair words. Not only but also. She not only wrote the text but also selected the illustrations. Whether or. He seemed undecided whether to leave or stay. So in the some sentences we use this as a pair, like she not only wrote the text, ना सिर्फ उसने text लिखा but also selected the illustration. उसकी descriptions detail भी बताया उसके बारे में. Okay, so not only but also दोनों साथ में use करते हैं. So these are called pair conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. These are called correlative conjunctions. Some sentences are given. Study the following sentences containing additional examples of conjunctions. Means some more examples of conjunctions are given in these 10 sentences. Let us see. These students will pass if they work hard. He cannot help you unless you tell them what is wrong. Here, unless is the conjunction. We missed the bus although we ran very fast. कि जबकि हम बहुत तेज़ दौड़े थे फिर भी हमने बस मिस कर दिया. दिस इज यूज ऑफ ऑल्दो. When I was younger, I used to read comics. See here one comma is there, and when is our conjunction which is used in the beginning of the sentence. So sometimes conjunctions can be in the beginning of the sentence also. This sentence can also be written as I used to read comics when I was younger. But we can use when in the beginning also. When I was younger, I used to read comics, but when will be the conjunction in this sentence? We hear that your elder sister is in Chennai. I did not buy the dress because it cost too much. They finished first, though they began late. Will you wait till we return? Do not go before they come. They are rich yet unhappy. वो rich है फिर भी unhappy है. So the words that are written in this pink color are the conjunctions here because they are joining two words, two sentences together. And when you read these sentences again and again, you will get the idea of how to use these words.